Satnam and welcome. I'm Param Dave and this is Yogic Living. As you can see, we're not on the mountain today. We're in my mom's kitchen where I'm going to show you how to make some cinnamon swirls. So we're going to start off with a couple cups of almond milk. Now we're going to go with a quarter teaspoon of salt. I'm adding pink Himalayan sea salt because that is the best. Now we're going to add a quarter teaspoon of vanilla. Now we're going to add a quarter cup of sugar. And then we're going to add 5.5 cups of flour. Now we're going to mix this up and incorporate everything until we get a nice ball of dough. And here's the consistency we're looking for. You'll know when you have enough flour when you get this consistency. Now that we've floured our countertop here, we're going to grab some of the dough and roll it out into a nice rectangle. Now that we've got our dough rolled out, we're going to put some butter on. In this case, I'm using vegan butter. I'm using the oat butter. Now that we've got our butter spread out, we're going to put some cinnamon on. And then we're going to put some sugar on the inside. Now we're going to gently roll up everything into a nice long log. Now that we've got our dough rolled into a log, we're going to divide those pieces into short little segments. Now we can arrange them on our cooking pan or cooking sheet. I'm using a pizza stone. I find these are nice to get a nice crispiness. I've preheated the oven to 450 degrees and we're going to let them bake for about 15 minutes or until golden brown. After about 15 minutes, they'll look like this. So after about 15 minutes, they're nice and brown and ready, as you can see. So let's give them a try and see if they're any good. Very good. Well, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to view more of my videos and go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon if you want to be notified next time I upload one of these things. And by the way, I did write a book. It's about my spiritual journey. It's called Why I Wear This Thing on My Head. If you'd like to obtain a copy, I'll leave that in the description down below. Alright. Well, in the meantime, Sat Nam and happy cooking.